server. Just thinking in terms of the cost and the way up of why would you use WordPress, roll your own, all the rest of this stuff. 5-minute install, you're getting, and you've got yourself your PHP is on there, you've got WordPress on there, you've got something that's already directing traffic, you've got Apache, you've got MySQL, you have all of the stuff lined out. If you're doing that on sort of the traditional Java enterprise app, the install process, getting the app server up and running, getting all these other pieces of moving parts into play, this is a much lower cost option to get yourself up and rolling with an API server compared with the other alternatives. So this is a big win if you're looking at a cost-effective method of getting into the API business.
Well, yeah, you just look at how the adoption of WordPress has been in the last few years, and all the things that keep getting pushed further and further with what WordPress can do. And this is next in line, so it's going to open a whole new box for people that do stuff with WordPress.
So if they put it in core, it's going to be similar to RSS feeds, where you just restructure the URL to pull the same data, and it's just structured differently.
Well, right, and what our RSS feed is actually XML, so it's
So it's just a different URL structure. Here, we're just swapping out some URL,
well, and with
hijacking or
and RSS, the only thing that it's capable of is doing reads. So anytime you're talking about making an interactive application with WordPress as the core, you've got to have that ability to post and edit and read.
So who's actually written anything with the admin Ajax endpoints?
Yeah.
You know how much of a pain in the ass
it's a pain
that
in the
is.
butt.
Yeah.
Total pain in the butt. This is just the dream in comparison.
Yeah, seems to be.
I guess it depends on what you're trying to do. Like, I've tried to write database calls just in other applications that don't have some type of platform that you're using. So, like, the fact that WordPress had, the Ajax admin stuff was like a godsend whenever I was, doing things another way. But,
Yeah, but if you can just install that
plugin,
or it's already built in, and you know that you can just hit points to get your data, it's going to be even easier.
Yeah. Because essentially that's what I had to do was, the way we did it for another project here, where all I did was created template pages that supplied particular pieces of JSON data, and then we just hit those template pages whenever we needed something.
Yeah.
I think we also discussed putting just like a piece of get data, or just a get parameter at the end of the URL, that would switch the theme dynamically based on what you're trying to get out of it. But all that was built in core, so much easier.
Other questions?
It's a long.
What's it feel like being a badass, guys?
That's a question for you to answer.
Come back for part 2 of the iOS side and Android.
Yeah, if you want to get into mobile development, I'd be more than glad to talk about that. But